Welcome to the demo for Basset. So let me take you to the paper. So Basset is a tool for systematic testing of actor programs, and it was developed by these authors. And so what is it? So it is tool for systematic testing of actor programs. So what are actor programs? Actor programming model is a promising approach for developing reliable and concurrent distributed systems, and it is still possible to have bugs within those actor programming models. These bugs can result from incorrect order of messages among actors or processing of messages by individual actors. So, to systematically test an actor program, it is necessary to explore different message delivery schedules that might occur during execution. So, as you can see here, to leverage the work in model checking, we built a Basset as an extension of JPF. So, JPF was already built by these authors, and it is an explicit state model checker for Java bytecodes. So, as you guessed it right, in order to run Basset, you have to install JPF first, Java Pathfinder. And if you see further, as I highlighted, the actor programming model provides an alternative where multiple autonomous agents communicate by exchanging messages. Each agent called an actor has an independent thread of control and its own local state. So, as you are doing this actor programming, you want to make sure that it is thoroughly tested, and Basic provides a convenient way of testing these actor programs. So these are the various things that Basset does. So for example, Basset additionally provides a custom state comparison specialized for actor domain, and it can also detect deadlocks and other types of errors. So this is the virtual machine where I'll be running, and so this is the tool page maintained by the authors, and it has all these sections download where it is clearly stating the instructions that we need to follow. So first we need to get JPF, Java Pathfinder, and install it like this, and you need to have Mercurial installed on this before you run this command. This command is coming from Mercurial software, and you have to have a site.properties file which will have the configuration information, which will tell the Basset and JPF that where to pick up the files from. And all right, and going ahead, this is how first you have to build the project in JPF core and JPF actor using ant. And once the build is successful, then you can run this command. This is an example of how you can use Basset to see to thoroughly test actor programs. So what it is saying is to explore the actor foundry subjects provided in source examples, run Basset under JPF, additionally specifying the fully qualified class name for the subject's test driver along with this. So for following a command will test the actor foundry program by using one master actor and three worker actors. So this is the number of worker actors, and you have one master actor, and this is how you are explicitly specifying fully qualified class name for the subject's test driver. So all right, so let's see the tool in action. So before going ahead, I'll explain you the folder structure. So we created one JPF folder, and inside that we got JPF core and JPF actor. So first you have to install JPF core, and here you have all the sources, and we did an ant build in this folder, and here we have the site properties. So if I do cat, so you can see the contents of the properties file, and this is the configuration that is going to be used by JPF and Basset to run the systematic testing. So, and if I go to JPF actor, so this is the extension of JPF core. JPF actor is nothing but Basset, and it is an extension of JPF core. And if you go inside, you will have all the sources. Here you have Basset, and you have to do the ant build here as well. So this was the folder structure, and you need to follow these steps because the program is structured in such a way that These are the dependencies, and it won't work if you don't follow or if you miss out any step. All right, so let's run this. I have another terminal where I'm inside this JPF actor folder, and I'm going to run this command as mentioned by the author on the tools page. So here he's saying that this is one of the examples how to see Basset in action. So let's run this. So it takes like 2-3 seconds, I guess. Okay, all right. So this is the output that the basic program has generated. So let's interpret how this works. So system under test. So that we specified this as the fully qualified class name, and these were the arguments provided. So this was the driver, and we have three workers. So subject arguments is three. We are testing the foundry language, and here you have the basic statistics, so number of traces and sleep sets, messages delivered, then actors created 5, actors destroyed 1440. So no deadlocks were detected, and actors terminated is 0. So it seems that everything is working fine here. There is no error detected. And these are the other statistics which give you information about the load memory or heap size or max memory or whatever. All right. So this is how the basic program works, and all you have to do is use JPF, install JPF first, and then you pass the fully qualified class name, and then the program sample program. Here we are testing pi, and then it is present in the source and examples folder inside the main folder, and then here you are specifying the number of workers. Okay, all right. So we did this and it ran successfully. So I guess that verifies that this tool is working fine, and all we did was like we followed these steps, and at one point of time we were not able to build the sources, but we got the right version of Java and everything, all the dependencies satisfied, and it worked fine. So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you liked it. Thanks.